Okay, we're gonna start off here in the front yard. I'm trying to get a flower bed here going. Threw down some soil amendment. We've got Lantana. We've got geraniums. There's a Lobelia. Sprinkled in some marigolds. These are all like 6-packs. It's like a salvia plant, I think. And then hoping these roses will kick into gear. This one has. But these other two, maybe with these soil amendments, they're gonna kick into action as well. I'm hoping. Also scored this aloe plant on clearance for $2.50 at the Home Depot. Also got some impatiens in red to complement this bigger rose bush that's kicking in. And I'll show you some tomato plants. These are Celebration. It's gonna be a bigger one. I buried it pretty deep. It's always good to bury deep because roots will develop anywhere along that neck stem of the. It's gonna be part of my edible landscaping. Also picked up a cherry tomato plant. There were 3 in here. I managed to separate them all. So that's always a nice little nursery hack you can perform. If you see plants with multiple sprouts in there, you can carefully separate them, and then you've got I've got 3 here. We'll let them mature for another week or 2 and then plant those out somewhere. There's a couple more of my Salvia Vista Red plants with a couple of Lobelias in the mix there, so see how they can all live in harmonious containment. And behind that we've got some thyme, how do you pronounce it? I've got this other Celebration tomato plant. This one's doing quite well in the ground now for a couple weeks. It's just now starting to reach this first level, and it should start taking off as long as it keeps getting sun. Gets full sun, so hoping for a good tomato season this year. My container grapevine, still going pretty well. Water this about once a week. This used to be in ground. It wasn't doing so I pulled it, and this season I'm going to keep it in a container. It seems to be doing okay so far. I'm sure it's going to start getting a little bit out of hand, and we'll have to figure out something to help support it as it gets bigger. So I am hoping to see some results here in the next few weeks that I can share with everybody, and really want to get a nice flower bed going here. So I didn't do too well last season. Started to get hot and things just didn't do so well. But see if these soil amendments can make a difference. It'd be interesting to see. Alright, so long for now.